Unboxing the phrase, blue box, a colorful journey in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our fun and educational journey into the world of English. Today, we're going to explore a simple, yet interesting phrase, blue box. You might think it's straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. So, let's dive in and unpack the various meanings and uses of this colorful expression. Let's start with the basics. A blue box is quite literally a box that is blue in color. This can refer to any physical container, like a storage box, a gift box, or a mailbox, as long as it is blue. It's a straightforward example of how we use colors to describe objects in English. Sometimes, blue box is used in specific contexts or to refer to specific things. For instance, recycling programs. In some areas, a blue box is specifically used for recycling. When someone mentions they need to put something in the blue box, they mean they are recycling it. Technology. In the world of technology, a blue box might refer to a piece of hardware or software with a blue casing or interface. Understanding the context is key to comprehending the intended meaning. In some cases, blue box might have a symbolic or cultural reference. For example, movies and TV. A blue box might be a significant object in a story, symbolizing something unique to that narrative. Branding. Certain brands might use a blue box as part of their identity, making it a recognizable symbol. These symbolic meanings often require cultural or contextual knowledge to fully understand. Let's see how blue box can be used in everyday conversation. 1. Descriptive. Can you bring me that blue box on the shelf? 2. Context specific. Remember to put the newspapers in the blue box for recycling. 3. Metaphorical. In the movie, the blue box represented the character's lost memories. Understanding how to use the phrase in different types of sentences enhances your fluency. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, blue box. From its literal meaning to its various contextual and symbolic uses, we see how even simple phrases in English can have diverse meanings. Hope you found this insightful and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.